please.
No.
Alright, so hey y'all, this is Dawn's channel. But yeah, she's I got that on tape. Ow. But yeah, this is Brinn's channel, and there is a
Big storm.
as you can see, a really big storm. Here, let me show my chickens.
Let go. Okay, so these are my chickens. I'm trying to protect the camera from the rain. This is my chicken, and she's sitting, and she's really nervous. And yeah, she's really scared. And then this is my other chicken. Let me zoom in on her.
Oh my god.
She's right there, but she's broody, and she wants eggs. So she's sitting on her eggs, and she's really nervous about her eggs. She thinks that they're gonna break or, you know, get injured, so she won't let me touch them. But yeah, her eggs. Where we showed her our chickens. This is my big sister Fatima.
The door?
Yes, it is locked. Oh, and we got that on lightning. I mean on tape. Oh!
I know. That's what I keep on saying.
Okay, hold this. Get it off your wrist.
Alright,
No,
so yeah, this is, I'm a weather woman. This is the storm.
You need to come inside.
You're not inside. But,
I'm the one with the electric stuff here. I'm the one who's gonna get mostly shocked. What time is it, Fatima? Here, let me see. It's not gonna show you the time on here. No. You see, I'm putting it over here because there's some action happening right there. That's her head.
This is so crazy. I bet my mom is on the back of the front porch right now just looking at this. She loves lightning. I mean, like, for real. She wouldn't care if she got shot. She loves it.
Me too.
Then why are you so scared of it?
I'm scared of it, but I love it.
I hate lightning. I mean, I know it's pretty because it can be, like, all different colors.
You see that little cloud right there?
That's where it's mostly happening.
Yeah, that little cloud. I'm zooming in.
did you see that? It's like right over there. But to be fair, that house right there, I saw it.
Zoe's house?
Yeah, Zoe's house. I really saw like earlier. Lightning literally
I think that. Oh my god! I think it's coming from that cloud. That cloud. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This is so exciting.
Wow, this is so scary.
It's exciting.
Lightning!
It's coming from that little cloud right
Yeah,
there.
that cloud right there, like
It's
right
like the
there.
roof.
The O's. It's coming
it
from
is.
there
It's most
mostly.
of it.
Mostly it's coming from that little thing right there,
It's the big ones.
and the ones that are hidden behind the clouds.
Your tacos.
One
of them are mine.
Just came right here.
One of them's mine.
Mine are the ones with the yellow sauce.
Can you try coming from that cloud?
Like that cloud's disappearing now.
Oh.
It was.
Yeah.
I just cannot wait till that thing gets struck. I know it's gonna get struck somehow.
I know why. I don't know why it doesn't.
That's that's lightning resistance. It's not gonna get stuck.
Because it's really. Why? Here. Now I'm recording. I'm scared my camera's not waterproof, so I'm scared it's gonna get hurt. That's what I'm scared of. Go away. Ooh, did you see that?
I feel like it's kind of going away now.
Yeah, I really do.
Oh.
Oh! Never mind. You should have, Flash, you should have saw it. It literally covered the whole sky. We got it both on tape. It literally went from there all the way down there. No, like no joke, it was awesome. Oh, it's pretty. I'll show you the video after. It's so amazing. We got some really good shots. I was really scared. I saw a rainbow yesterday. Ah! Shut up, boy. I scared her. Oh my god, that was so... Oh, that was pretty. I wish my thing wouldn't be like all fuzzy. No, but you should have saw.
Do you want a
it.
taco?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fatma, from us, Brinn ko chahiye.
Oh my gosh, Numa would have freaked out if she saw that. Numa, you would have freaked out what we just saw.
Recording.
Oh yeah, it is.
But it was amazing. I'm going to show you the tape after. It was amazing.
Oh! It went from right there all the way to up here. And probably went around like all the way to back there. Oh my god. Oh, y'all see the moon? That is such a pretty... Oh, that's not the moon. My bad. That's just clouds. But damn.
Shut up. You can't cuss on the vlog. Numa.
I said zam.
Zam, whatever.
It went from right there
To literally
right
up there.
there.
Okay. Is that your vlog? Yeah.
It's just that's going one boring vlog.
Shut up.
That's my other. I don't have another brother, but he's my ugly brother.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sometimes it does lightning and then sometimes it's just yellow all the time.
Yeah, like little like.
We missed 4th of July. This is way better than 4th of July. I'm not saying that hurt God or anything or hurt America. I'm just saying this is really pretty.